Hey guys, it's Tunnel Rat, and I'm going to discuss the updates I did on cointhrough.com for the Steem growth calculator. I decided to go ahead and use the Steem JS API, and let me just minimize the wallet there. That was a Vessel wallet for Steem, by the way. If you're not using one, they're available. Okay, so on CoinThrough, I did some updates. I got a little widget going here where I'm collecting data and putting it in the database through an API for the 7-day Bitcoin price. And I put it into a little chart here for the last 7 days on the price on the home page here. If you go to Steem Tools, and you'll see there's two options to go to the Steem Income Calculator, and there's the banners. Those were created by me. Here are a few other tools created by other authors who are also witnesses. But if you go to the Steem Income Calculator, you'll notice it's a little different. You can actually enter your steemit.com username to autofill out this form right here. And I set some predefined values in case you wanted to just calculate your growth. But let's just put my name in here. My username, no @ symbol, it's already there. Hit go, and there you go. It automatically fills out your Steem power. It says 580.96, and if we go to my wallet and refresh this page, you'll see that my Steem power is 580.958. This is just rounding it down to 2 decimal places. It'll give your rewards to date and the growth percentage based on your rewards to date versus your Steem power currently. So if you wanted to use basically like a ceiling or max amount to put in for your growth, you could put that amount. It defaults to 1. You can also click on steem.supply, and you'll notice down there in the URL bar that it's going to automatically fill out your name if you've filled out your username here. So if you wanted to get your projected growth rate from steem.supply, which is another great tool by Dragarosa, I think I'm saying that right. You click that link, it's going to bring up your profile in there. Dragos Rua, sorry. And there's my potential growth. It's not very high this week because I haven't been posting as frequently as I would have liked to. But this includes your curation rewards and your author rewards. And it's also splitting it up based on 50% or 100% SP. But there you go. So the projected growth is about $9, which is 0.95%. So we'll just leave it at 1%, or we can type in 0.95. And I made the calculator a little bit more precise, so it increases by that percentage every week you have filled out. Defaults to 4 weeks. You can put 8 weeks. You can put up to 52 weeks in there. And there's the value of Steem currently. And this is based on the coin market cap price, which is an average between all of the markets. I click calculate growth, and here you have these are the input values for your form right here, and each week you will see you'll get an increase of 5.81, which is roughly $9.41 at that rate, $1.62 in this case, which is really good for Steem. But here's your starting SP up here, and then here is your increase and your projected SP with the increase included, and there's your projected account value after that increase, and as you can see it goes to 2 decimal places now. And at the very bottom you'll see your total however many week growth in SP and in dollar amounts. So you have a 48.16 SP growth at 0.95% or $78 after 8 weeks, or roughly 2 months. Now these months are estimates, that's why they're bolded, and I left the weeks in there. So that's not too bad. Now, if you wanted to play around and see if you had a 3% growth rate, or you can even put 3.05, make it more precise, and just 4 weeks, you can calculate the growth. You can do it for just 1 week. Um, but there you go. You'll notice that instead of saying 17, 18, 18, 19, it's actually giving a more precise value. And if it were to grow by 3% a week, this is what I could expect to see if it were consistent. So it's again, it's an estimate, but it's a pretty accurate estimate given you have consistent rewards for your posts. The reason I say use Steem Supply is because if you look at the Content Insights tab, he breaks it down based on posts per day, the average amount you earn per post in US dollars, number of votes, and revenue per vote, and then also for your comments and curation here. So he's got a really good tool for estimating potential growth or potential rewards, and this kind of incorporates that for your potential growth in SP. So if you're interested in growing your Steem power and investing more in your account and watching it grow, this does not take into account um, you know, the interest that you earn, or the SP that gets divided up. And you'll see every once in a while, if you refresh every few minutes, you'll see this value go up by 0.001, or uh, however much it goes up by. It probably won't go up yet, but yeah, not yet. So anyway, that's what I wanted to give you an update about. I plan to do more with the API. I plan to do more Steem tools, make the site easier to navigate. Um, but check it out. I mean, you can look at the coin conversion rates as well while you're here. And say you wanted to know how much, 581 Steem was equal to in Bitcoin, US dollar, um, let's say Litecoin, Ethereum. So if you wanted to trade it out for some of these, you can go to this page and fill out your quantity and your pairs and just click get new rate. And there you have it's 0.188 BTC, $871.5. Here's the value for one Steem on the left column. And this is based on crypto compare data, which is different from CoinMarketCap. So you're going to get different values. And then here you've got an option to do an instant conversion via the Changely app. The shapeshift conversion widget, I haven't gotten around to creating that yet, but what I did is take the pairs, if they're available, and gave you the conversion ratio there. In this case, shapeshift does not include Steem, so it defaulted to the BTC Ethereum pair. But just check it out, Steem Tools on cointhrough.com, and it'll give you some options there. Alright, that's it for this update. I've got to get busy. I'm working on more tutorials and such. Maybe I'll show you how I did the API conversion and the calculations. Have a good one.